For us to build this, we had to build the infrastructure. And this is where like we started having a different conversation recently, which is what we've built for us to be able to do this. Yeah, some people can try to vibe code a platform, some people can try to, but you're not going to go to Claude Code and say, hey, please vibe code me Cook AI. It doesn't work like that, right? For us to be able to get to this point, I'm sure if you guys have been in our ecosystem for the last year, you guys can see we started from just literally just having agents that can just answer you, right? But then we realized that that's not the point. The point is to have AI do the work for you. And for us to be able to achieve this, we had to start with what? Tools. We need AI to have access to the same tools that humans have access to do the work. So I'm going to kind of like give you guys a quick glance at TryCook AI 3.0 so you guys can see this. We currently have 100 plus integrations of tools on Cook. They look something like this. Generate images, create voiceover, generate a clip, edit images, research, scrape websites, look at trends, scrape Reddit, find ads, scrape every single social platform that exists, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Why are these important? Um, where do you think most of your prospects live? Where do you think most of your competitors are making money from? On these platforms. So you want agents to be able to go do what? Access these platforms. You wanted access to your CRM. Right now we have GHL integration because that's made the main CRM that a lot of the businesses that we launch use. Get it connected to ads, get it to connected to deploying sites, get analytics, get leads, get funnel metrics, have it be able to build forms. Why did we start building this? Because we're slowly pivoting away from GHL, right? If we realize that if we build Cook to just rely on GHL, there is a drag. So I believe that we're a few weeks away from completely not needing GHL. We've already built the forms. We've already built the bookings, your calendar. We don't need to rely on some Calendly. We don't need to rely on GHL, right? Or any whatever software you use. You want to be able to generate images and videos or have it analyze videos. Why? Because you want your AI agent to be able to watch videos just like a human would. Okay. And create avatars, all that good stuff. The next thing is you want to be able to spawn missions. Missions are the foundation of autonomous work. Okay. Just like you would ask your team to go do something for the next 5 days and come back to you with a new something. You want agents to be able to do that. Workflows and then integration. We're about to connect it with make.com, Zapier, Discord, Airtable. Why? Because that's where you may need agents to go build automations for you. You may need to access your database on Airtable. Okay. Discord search, all that good stuff. So that was step one. We're like, oh my God, we have to integrate all the tools because you cannot just have a content platform. That's not like what you want me to go use like a video platform, and then you want me to go back here, then you want me to go Gemini, then you want me to go ChatGPT, then I need to go to Cloud Code. No, we want every single thing needed to make money in one place. That was step one. Then step two was how do we do the job? You guys can use ChatGPT today to go say, build me a give me research, tell me which market, what they're dealing with. But it's probably not going to be anything like what we have because we have our own ways of building mechanisms. We have our way about understanding that you actually need to have a specific way to call your solution to help you stand out. The way we package offers, the way we select the segments of the markets to go after. Okay. So we added the ability to what? To turn our process into skills. And that is what, if I show you guys here, TryCook AI 3.0 is going to have all these skills. Why are they valuable? Well, it's essentially like saying that, hey, instead of you going to school for 20 years to learn all these things, what if I could just give you, give your agents access to the logic and the process that you would normally have to earn either from going to school, watching a bunch of courses, or just being in the trenches working, testing, putting your money on the line, putting your time on the line. Well, now, not so much. You don't really need to do none of that stuff because, hey, you can borrow on our own skills. You want to go start doing AI SEO optimization? Okay, be my guest. This is how we think about it. You want to start scaling on X? Here's how we go about, here's our skills around how we grow on X. You want to start an advertising agency? Oh, like, oh, this person is selling you a course on how to run ads. Why would they do that? Don't they realize that you only have one life to live? Why would you spend your lifetime learning ads? Meta shares every playbook on how to run ads for free. Now the bottleneck is how do you then give it access to AI? Well, you do it through what? Skills. Okay. And maybe I can give you guys a quick little something. Let me just show you guys this. So, and this is going to be Try Cook AI 3.0. I think it's going to be really sick. So check this out. Hey, I want to be able to go sell accounting to software companies. Can you please go learn the skill on accounting and bookkeeping? And maybe I want to become a CFO for software companies. Find all the skills that I would need to be able to do so. Give Try Cook AI 3.0 the skills you want to learn, and then just say, please go learn it. It will just queue up a mission to go learn the skill.